How's it going, everyone? This is the project team 11R for Yifeng fruit tea. So our agenda, we're gonna do a team member introduction, go over everyone. We're gonna do an overall picture of the project. We're gonna go through our development methodologies. We're gonna go through our development methodologies, project status and outlook, and also our additional thoughts. How the hell do you change the next page? There. All right, so our team members are me, the project manager. We have Alex, who is a front end developer, Connor, who's also a front end developer, and our back end developers are Jack and How Dung Lao. I think that's how you say it. So I'm Naveed Hawk, a project manager. My dedicated role is doing the cashier page as of now. My shared responsibilities are front end and back end development with React and Node.js. I'm going to study React, JSX markup syntax. I'm going to assist others with their pages and what they have to do. And I work a lot on sprint planning and management.
I'm Alex. I'm a front-end developer. My dedicated role responsibility is doing the menu board page. Some of my responsibilities are learning about the structure of a current application and learning how to host it on render, studying the React syntax, and assist others with their page, mainly Connor with the customer page.
Howdy, I'm Connor, front-end developer, and my role responsibilities are the customer order and viewing page for this project. I will be assisting the team with the GUI and front-end design aspects.
Howdy, I'm Jack Hoppy. I'm working on the manager page and specifically the backend communication with the SQL database. I plan to do some research with Node.js and work together with Steven to better implement our backend.
Howdy, I'm Hao Dong Bo. My dedicated role responsibility is the login page with authentication, and then my shared role responsibility is overall backend development.
Luau, that's how you say it. So overall picture of the project, our product idea is making a web-based POS system. We want to make our application accessible for more people, so people with disabilities. So we need to enhance user experience, and we want a fully working application with a front end and a back end. So some project details, what we're going to implement is a Google Translate button. We want it to be audio compatible. We want to maximize discoverability and have contrast for people with visual issues, and we want to have overall simplicity for better user experience. And that is the overall system design of our project. And so this is our lo-fi prototype that we have. As you can see, we wanted to make it as simple as possible and easy. So you have a simple, start order, complete order. Our menu for adding drinks is simplistic. You just have one add button. And we also have a very simple sugar and ice level editor where you can just click a button and it shows the level. So it's visual, easy to use. And yeah, that's our lo-fi prototype.
Howdy. For our user feedback study, we actually got some feedback just this last week. And for the editing part of our order process, we've added the options for toppings and sugar levels on the lo-fi prototype. We were told to focus on good overall structure and easy editing. For our front-end development, we are familiarizing ourselves with React for GUI implementation. We want to implement user accessibility for blindness, learning disabilities, and translator enabled. So we need to design login, manager, cashier, customer, and menu board pages with a focus in user navigation.
Okay, for our backend development, we decided to choose Node.js because it's well suited for high performance, non-blocking applications. Furthermore, it's often used in various web applications, so it has a long history of doing well in websites, which is why we decided to choose it. It also provides a Node package manager, which provides many open source libraries. So we have a wide variety of resources to use, whether that be found online or through documentation. Okay, our product backlog summary for our home page. These are the user stories. So this is all about accessibility. So for example, we want our front page to be attractive and informative and very simplified. So it's accessible to a lot of people. Furthermore, we want to be able to view the full menu with pictures. So it's very descriptive. We want to be able to see the prices along with detailed descriptions. We want to be able to order online and also set preferences for those orders, such as sugar levels and toppings. Furthermore, we want it to be very secure, so that's why we're using OAuth. And yeah.
All right, for the overall sprint plans, in sprint 1, we plan to have our user design ready, and then front end development in our 5 pages. We also want to set up our GitHub repository so we can deploy it later. For sprint 1, we plan to work on our backend and then have our servers integration ready. For sprint 3, we plan to add our accessibility features and then make testing.
Okay, so our project outlook right now, we're just discussing the current progress and challenges faced, such as the unexpected deadline, like moving this video up for 1 week. And we plan to schedule additional meetings for working together to meet the upcoming deadlines. Some of our additional thoughts are how will orders be processed and fulfilled for online orders, how we're going to handle the customer data and how we're going to store it and comply with data privacy regulations, and how we're going to account for vulnerabilities in our systems. Some of our concerns are seasonal specials. Maybe we have a plan to showcase seasonal or limited time offers and have a form for users to submit feedback, which can improve the customer experience.
All right, that concludes our presentation. Thank you guys for
Thank you.
listening.
Thank you.